I really don't know that there is any hard part, really, to this. Except in individual scenes when you're physically uncomfortable, which we experienced recently.
Oh, oh Christ, we got an episode coming up. Flashback, can we talk about flashback a little bit?
But, I mean, the idea that you haven't had anything hard.
I mean, we covered this man with 10,000 live bees.
Oh, we have a term around the set when someone is very Cranstonian. This is Bryan Cranston, and it's something we coined because Bryan is very Cranstonian. He goes above and beyond the call of duty. Covering him with bees, they were willing to get a stunt man. No, Bryan wanted to do it himself. Do disco roller skating, he wanted to do it himself. This guy does everything. I page through a script and think, I look for the stunt woman on this scene. Bring the stunt woman in for this scene. I'm not Cranstonian. He's extremely Cranstonian, so he does.
I
He loves the challenge.
I love the whole process, and I know there's probably a lot of actors out there, and whenever you're given the opportunity to be able to go through that process, you're in heaven.
Oh,
So-
I love having a stunt lady come in. I don't want the process. I want to go home.
Jane first goes through a script and says, "Oh, good, I'm laying down in this one. Oh, I have to stand and walk around in this one. I don't like that."
Well, I was pregnant. The first 12 episodes we did, I was pregnant. I went up to about 8 months pregnant, and Linwood was wonderful to help me through as I got bigger and bigger. So I'm in bed for some episodes. I'm in a bubble bath for some episodes. So I started getting, I kind of like that. But this last one we were talking about is an episode coming up that looks back on the birth of the 4 boys. And the final scene of it is I'm giving birth, and it's in the pouring rain, and it was so cold that we put on wetsuits because it was 8 hours of very, very cold rain in a huge pregnancy suit and a wetsuit. But I thought, it doesn't matter if I look fat. I'm supposed to be pregnant. So we do have some kind of odd physical challenges, but overall, we're just, it's a part of a lifetime. I think we all really agree with that. And we really consider ourselves, I'm speaking for all of us, of course, very, very blessed to be part of Linwood Boomer's family, second time around.
It's a much nicer family.